25. It's working. There you go.
That looks like them productions that we used to do back in the day.
I loved it. Like it was so creative, different techniques, different styles. Like it always like kept you on the edge because you didn't know what to expect. If that makes sense. Like it didn't have a set kind of theme. Like it wasn't like.
When it came to it, it's quite ambiguous. Like you don't know what it's about at all, so you can make your own story off of it, which is like a lot of different video stations that we saw already. So I like that.
Yeah, I liked like the music festival because it was kind of random, which kind of made sense to the video. And the video you could pretty much interpret it into whatever you wanted to interpret it as. I would probably interpret it as it's like your craziness. So you know how he was like moving up and down, like all that shaky stuff and all that jazz, and like tongues. It kind of felt a bit not dreamy in the sense like the feel of it, but like the video material itself. It's stuff you wouldn't see realistically. So yeah, I think it's well edited and great.
It wasn't what everyone expected. Like when I saw the box, oh my god, what's he gonna do? Then he told me the purpose of the box is to create like a horror thing, which I get now. Yeah, I really like the fact that his editing skills just brought it onto like a new level of crazy. Like I haven't seen that before. And yeah, I really liked it.
It was really smooth.
Yeah.
But it was clearly not real. But
Yeah.
it just really professional.
Yeah, that was really good.
And I like the bit with was it the mouth and the eye? I thought it was,
Yeah.
It was simple, but just kind of like
That tripped me out.
that was really effective.
Do
as
not
well.
watch that when you haven't had much sleep.